In today's lecture, we are going to discuss quality. Quality management is a great tonic for improving operations. It helps the companies to build strategies around low cost, response, and differentiation. For instance, defining customer quality expectations has helped Apple successfully differentiate its mobile phones as among the best in the world. Many Chinese manufacturers have produced quality steel at low cost by developing efficient processes that produce consistent quality. And Dell computers rapidly responds to customer orders because quality systems with little rework have allowed it to achieve rapid throughput in the plants. As this figure suggests, improvements in quality help firms increase sales and reduce cost, both of which can increase profitability. Increase in sales often occur as firms speed response, increase or lower selling prices, and improve their reputation for quality products. Similarly, improved quality allows costs to drop as firms increase productivity and lower rework, scrap, and warranty costs. One study found that companies with the highest quality were 5 times as productive as companies with the poorest quality. Indeed, when the implications of an organization's long term cost and the potential for increased sales are considered, total cost may well be at a minimum when 100% of the goods or services are perfect and defect free. Quality or the lack of quality affects the entire organization, from supplier to customer and from product design to maintenance. Perhaps more important, building an organization that can achieve quality is a demanding task. This figure lays out the flow of activities for an organization to use to achieve total quality management. A successful quality strategy begins with an organizational culture that fosters quality, followed by an understanding of the principles of quality, and then engaging employees in the necessary activities to implement quality. When these things are done well, the organization typically satisfies its customers and obtains a competitive advantage. The ultimate goal is to win customers because quality causes so many other good things to happen. It is a great place to start. So, what is quality? Quality is the ability of a product or a service to meet the customer demands. The operation manager's objective is to build a quality system that identifies and satisfies customer needs. The quality definition falls into several categories. Some definitions are user based. They propose that quality lies in the eyes of the beholder. Marketing people like this approach, and so do customers. To them, higher quality means better performance, nicer features, and other improvements. Whereas to production managers, quality is manufacturing based. They believe that the quality means conforming to standards and making it right the first time. Yet, there is a third approach, which is the product based, which views quality as a precise and measurable variable. In this view, for example, really good ice cream has high butterfat levels. In addition to being a critical element in operations management, quality has several other implications. We are going to discuss 3 critical implications that quality has on overall management of the company. Number 1, company reputation. An organization can expect its reputation for quality, be it good or bad, to follow it. Quality will show up in perceptions about the firm's new products, employment practices, and supplier relations. Self-promotion, whereas, is not a substitute for quality products. Number 2, product liability. The courts increasingly hold organizations that design, produce, or distribute faulty products or service liable for the damages or injuries resulting from the use. Legislations enforce product standards by banning products that do not reach those standards, impure foods that cause illness, clothing burn, tires that fall apart, auto fuel tanks that explode. All those things can lead to huge legal expenses, large settlements or losses, and terrible publicity. Number 3, global implications. In this technological age, quality is an international as well as operations management concern. For both a company and a country to compete effectively in the global economy, Products must meet global quality, design, and price expectations. Inferior products harm a firm's profitability, and in case of nations, it can harm balance of payments. The move towards global supply chains have emphasized so much on setting up quality standards that the world has united to form a single quality standard, which is known as the ISO. In 2015, the latest version of ISO 9001, was introduced, and it's still applicable. So what is ISO 9001? It is a set of quality standards developed by the International Organization for Standardization, ISO. The ISO standard encourages establishment of quality management procedures, detailed documentation, work instructions, and record keeping. The cost of quality is the cost of doing things wrong, that is, the price of non-conformance. The four major categories include prevention cost, the costs that are associated with reducing the potential for defective parts or services that may include training, quality improvement programs. Then there are appraisal cost. Appraisal costs are costs related to evaluating products, processes, parts, and services. This includes lab inspections, testing, the costs required to induct inspectors. Then there is internal failure costs that result from production of defective parts or services before delivery to the customers. That may include rework, scrap, or downtime. And then there is external failure costs that occur after delivery of defective parts or services. This may include rework, returned goods, liabilities, lost goodwill, or cost to the society.